Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove YouTube account from other devices. Today I will show you how to remove YouTube account from other devices. This is helpful if you sign in on a shared device, lost a phone or want to secure your account. First, important to know this, your YouTube account is connected to a Google account, so removing YouTube access means managing your Google account device. First, open a web browser on your phone or computer. Sign in using the email and password connected to your YouTube account. Once you are signed in, look for the security section and tap or select on it. Once you tap on the manage device, here you will see a list of devices where your Google and YouTube account is signed in. Tap on the device you want to remove. You can also sign out, then sign back in. You can also change the password and remove account from all other devices. Only the device you are currently using will stay logged in. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.